Do you want to be able to fix Messenger couldn't send the message? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix it. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. Because if you do like going to watch this video and miss out on some of the steps that I'm going to show you, well, then this will not work. So it is very important that you watch this until the very end. So basically, the first step is going to be for us to actually close our Messenger app. And instead, we need to go into our Facebook app instead. I'm going to explain to you why we need to do this. So go into your Facebook app. And in here, now when you're on your Facebook app, and this Facebook account should be connected to the exact same Messenger account that you're like having problems with, just so you know. And now in here, you're going to click on the three lines. For me, it is in the bottom right corner, but for some of you, it's going to be in the top right instead. So just click on the three lines. Now you should be taken here, as you can see. Scroll down in here, keep scrolling down until you can see where it says help and support. Click here, then click on reports a problem. Once again, click on reports a problem here, click on include in report, and now you should be taken here. As you can see, what you need to do now is to scroll down in here and select messages. Very important that you do select messages in here. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page. The reason why we need to come to this page right here is because in here we're able to contact the Facebook customer service that specialize in messages basically, and they're the ones that can help us to fix this issue, just so you know. So now you need to write exactly like this to make it work. I am having issues with Messenger not being able to send my messages. I need this to be fixed. So write exactly like this now, because I used to have the exact same problem before on my account. Then I did this exact step-by-step formula that I'm just going to show to you. And after that, it just worked basically. So write like this. I am having issues with my Messenger not being able to send my messages. I need this to be fixed. Now click on send in the top right corner. After that, you will need to wait about 24 to 48 hours for the Facebook support to be able to see this, and hopefully after they have seen this, then this should be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.